Want to start using the ReelShort streaming app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the ReelShort app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the ReelShort app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in ReelShort at the top. Tap ReelShort when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using ReelShort. That's all it takes to download ReelShort. If you're interested in checking out other streaming services, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.